Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed into the same Google account on YouTube and Android. This ties ad behavior together. Once signed in, go straight to Google Ad Settings via Settings right arrow Google, right arrow Ads or My Account. Google.com/ads. You're doing this now because disabling personalization at the account level prevents Play Store app promo targeting across Google services. Make sure apps are updated so settings sync properly. Keep your device online while you change options so the new preferences propagate quickly. Once done disabling general personalization, reset your advertising ID from Settings right arrow Google right arrow Ads. This severs past profiling and gives you a clean slate. Then toggle off interest-based ads and any app-specific interests linked in your Google account so Play Store promos can't target you. Make sure to clear Play Store and YouTube Watch or Install history that feeds recommendations. These steps reduce why you see app install ads because you're removing the signals advertisers use to match ads to your account. To finish, open Play Store settings and disable personalized recommendations so the store stops promoting apps to you. Also check YouTube settings for ad preferences and report repeat app ads. If you need no ads at all, YouTube Premium or a browser ad blocker is the reliable alternative. If Play Store ads continue to appear, clear app caches, reset the advertising ID again, and verify no other Google accounts on the device are supplying ad signals. This usually solves lingering ad delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.